Latte non è mai finita, è solo abbandonata. Leonardo da Vinci once said this: art is never finished, only abandoned. But here at Lake Garda, art is not just abandoned, it's washed away. Buongiorno! Welcome to the most elite stage of bodybuilding in the world, the Italian Bodybuilding Festival. If you have seen my previous video, forget everything you know. Italy is different. It's not just a festival, it's a revival of Renaissance art on the human skin. Welcome to Craft Art. Today I am breaking down why this Italian stage is considered the gold standard for body artists worldwide. In Italy, the body is not just a surface, it's a sculpture, unlike the loud pop culture vibes we see in the West. Italian artists draw inspiration from centuries of classical art. Look at the brushwork here, it's delicious, precise, and deeply symbolic. They use natural curves of the muscles to tell stories of nature, mythology, and human emotion. Alright, let's see which country has the most passionate fans. If you want to see more deep dives into global festival, smash that hype button. Let's see how many hypes we can get for this incredible Italian artist. Let's talk about big comparison. Why does an artist from Germany or the UK look at Italy differently? In the US, style is often hyper-vibrant. It's about the wow factor, neon color, and airbrushing that looks like a movie poster. But in Italy, it's all about chiaroscuro, the play of light and shadow. Notice the difference. The American style is high energy, almost like a comic. But the Italians, they paint like they are trying to impress Leonardo da Vinci himself. They prefer brushes over airbrushes because it leaves a texture that feels humans. It's a battle of hiding versus high art. Technically, the Italian Championship is a beast. Artists have up to 6 hours to finish the full body piece. The judges look for anatomical harmony. This means the art must flow with the model's movement. If the model moves and the painting breaks, you lose points. just a game of precision, where even drop of a sweat can ruin a masterpiece. One thing my global audience always asks, is it worth it spending 10 hours standing still covered in paint just to wash it off in 10 minutes? To this artist in Italy, that's the point. It's a ephemeral art. It's beautiful because it does not last. In the world of digital NDFs and permanent statues, there is something incredible soul stirring about the art only exists for a single sunset on Lake Garda. That's why the Japanese and French photographers work hard to capture a ghost. Italy proves that the human body is and will always be the ultimate canvas. So, which side are you on? Do you prefer the bold cinematic style of the US or this classical poetic taste of Italy? Let me know in the comments. I read every single one. If you're a fan of high level artistry, hit the like button and subscribe to join our global community of art lovers. See you in the next deep dive. Stay creative. Peace.